Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about complex number. So we have I power 40 plus I power 30 minus I power 20. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. We know I power 2 is about minus 1 and I power 4 you got about number 1. So we will use this way to convert the margin unit in here. We have I power 40 is about I power 4 and we have power 10 outside. So we have I power 4 is about number 1, so we put 1 power 10 is about 1. Next we have I power 30 is about I power 2 and we have 15 outside. I power 2 is about minus 1 and we got about power 15, so you got about minus 1. Next I power 20, so we got about I power 2 and we have power 10 outside, and this is about minus 1 power 10. Power 10 is about the even power, so you got about 1. So now we can find the final answer. And the answer that's about minus 1. That's the end. Thank you for watching.